بھارتیہ جنتا پارٹی کی جانب سے کام کرنے کا دعویٰ کرنے والے لوگوں کے مبینہ معاملے نے TRS MLAs کے انحراف کی کوشش کرتے ہوئے سیاسی گرمی کو بڑھا دیا، جب سوامی جی اور تندور کے MLA روہت ریڈی کے درمیان بات چیت کے آڈیو کلپس وائرل ہوئے۔ آڈیو کلپس میں ایک سوامی جی اور تندور کے MLA روہت ریڈی کے درمیان بات چیت کی گئی ہے۔
ہلو 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 ہلو
سوامی جی بات کریے۔ جی نمسکار۔
نمسکار سوامی جی، کیسے آپ؟
بڑھیا بڑھیا بڑھیا، آپ کیسے ہیں؟
میں ٹھیک ہوں سوامی جی۔
جی 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 ابھی کچھ باتیں چل رہے تھے نندو جی اور ہمارے بیچ میں۔
ہاں ہاں،
تو ہم کو اگر تھوڑا سا ڈیٹیل ملے نا تو میں وہاں پہ بات کر لیتا ہوں۔ آلریڈی میں بات کیا ہوں، ان لوگوں نے ہاں کہہ دیا ہے۔
ہاں سوامی جی،
تو آپ کو ایک بار نام شیئر کر دیا تو مجھے تھوڑا آسان ہوگا۔
سوامی جی نام ابھی فی الحال مشکل ہوگا، کیوں تو ابھی تو میرے کو 2 لوگ کنفرمیشن دے دیے،
جی جی
مگر ایک بار ملے جب بھی ڈسکس کریں گے نا سوامی جی۔
ہاں ہاں بالکل 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 بالکل۔ تو میں کیا ہے، میں 24 تاریخ تک میرا تھوڑا بیڈ ریسٹ چل رہا ہے۔
ہاں ہاں ہاں،
تو میں 24 تک میں نہیں آ پاؤں گا۔
اوکے،
24 کے بعد میں ایک دن آ جاؤں حیدرآباد کے لیے، یا کہیں پہ بھی۔ حیدرآباد میں نہیں چاہیے، کہیں دوسری جگہ میں رکھ لیجیے۔
the problem is Swami ji, now as you know this election is going on, there will be a watch on us also, so
Yes, absolutely.
Hyderabad would be the best place because we all reside in Hyderabad.
Okay, then it is fine.
Hyderabad
Then it
is
is fine.
yeah, Hyderabad is only the best place, and because Nandu and before this date you wanted thing, no?
Yes, absolutely.
So like Santosh ji, Nandu was telling me Santosh ji can come in the charter, and we can have a meeting for like half an hour, and we can push off.
I will share tomorrow in the morning. I will discuss with Santosh. If bulk is ready, then Santosh will come to there.
See, 3 are ready, including me.
Okay, what we can do is on after 24th, I will come once to Hyderabad. Then we'll sit and discuss. That would be the better way. Final sketch out we can take it on the same day. We will take the decision and we'll move on. Right?
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that, Swami ji.
No,
but
there
only
is no issue on this. Whatever you have discussed with Nandu ji, there is no issue on this.
Actually,
resting will see, because
actually Nandu ji gave me the proposal, so I thought okay, and he assured me of taking care of me in all the ways, in terms of my security, in terms of my political career, in terms of other things also.
Absolutely. At the same issue, same matter, again we will present in the number 2 also, in front of you only.
Okay.
So there will not be any issues on this.
Okay.
Because if see, first come first serve always.
Yeah, I understand.
But in spite of that, you are highly educated towards the system, then you know exactly the thing also. Then it is very easy for us to be promote you, right?
See, I am also interested, and already you people know everything about my past and everything. So on a higher level, I want to really work on it. So
sure.
So I thought
we'll get and support in it. Yeah. I think it is not best. It is not suitable discuss over the phone throughout the long.
Okay.
So what I think is,
Okay.
You better have a word directly with Nandu, because I made Nandu to sit with Santosh directly.
Yeah.
So there is no confusion in this.
Okay.
Hence, while we are sitting together, he said to proceed on this. Rest of the thing we'll take care. You give us the proposal, we will go ahead with that.
Okay.
So there is no.
So I'll wait for you for 24th. So 24th.
Not 24th, because till 24 I am having bed rest till evening.
Okay.
So on 25th I can make it.
Yeah. Okay.
25th I will make it, and 15, 27 or 28 we will set that down. That would be better.
Okay. I'm not at all in a hurry, but Nandu was only telling me tomorrow.
See, actually not like today not Nandu. Actually, I am put some pressure on Nandu.
Okay.
Here Nandu is clear.
Okay.
Because see, before the third election,
yeah,
if we can move forward,
yeah,
that would result in some other things also.
Okay.
One of the way. Second way, we need some very good leaders in our sector also. In our organization, we need good leaders.
Yeah.
So for that purpose, for that reason, we are looking into the higher levels.
Understood.
That is the only reason I put more pressure on Nandu.
Yeah, I understood. On that day also when we met.
Sorry for that, because see, I think last for 5 days, yeah, Nandu have been not slept a single night also. He was working continuously.
Yeah, I understand.
Actually, he brought some other people, so I said that it is not good, because see, we need exactly qualified person.
Yeah.
Then only we can put on pressures. That is the reason he more followed you.
Yeah. Yeah, on that day when we met
anyway,
also, you appreciated my work and everything. Yeah, I understand, Swamiji.
Because it is the green signal from the higher level, no issue in this. So we'll sit and discuss, that would be the better. See, if we get 1 or 2, 3 together,
yeah,
then it is very easy for us to also.
Yeah.
That is the reason I will sit on 26th. That would be better.
26th, okay.
25th, just 25th.
25th.
No, Swami, 25th is the Chandra Granam is there. Amavasya and Granam is there, no, Swami. That is not. After 25th. Yeah, after 25th, anytime, Swamiji. 26th morning.
26th is fine. 26th
yeah,
is fine. Okay. On 26th, we'll sit together. Now only let us make all the arrangements.
You take a clarity once again, okay? And we are doing more also. Within 4 days, we have time. Anyway, Deepavali is there. We also gather some more.
We have. I already conveyed the message when you said with me. Immediately, I conveyed the message to both the people.
Oh, both the people. Okay, good.
Both
so
the
actually,
people.
They are expecting today, Swami, no?
Actually, they were expecting today only.
Yeah, I know.
Because he was also waiting only for that in Delhi. So Tushar went to Ahmedabad right now.
Okay.
His charter took place flight off around 4 p.m. today. He sent a message for me. Ahmedabad.
With number 2 or number 1?
With number 1.
Okay.
Sorry, number 2. Number 2. Yeah, with number 2, we went together. They were in the same charter.
Swamiji,
I will ask it.
One other request, Swamiji. Instead of again trying for more people, because the word, if it goes out, we will be literally screwed here. You know about our CM. So he's a very aggressive guy and he'll screw our happiness. So instead of trying for more, first, because we 3 are ready now, so let us finish.
That is what I am asking. if I am getting the 3 names, that would be very easier for me to
Swamiji,
put forward.
Swamiji, I'm really sorry. I can't reveal the names as of now. But once our meeting is done,
no issue.
They are my very close associates, and we are into other things also together. So can you share the 3 names in front of 2? Yeah, in front of number 2 I can.
Okay, then no issue.
Yeah.
No issue. I will make it.
So, because Nandu was telling me that Santosh ji is the main person, and Santosh ji
is the key person.
Yeah, Santosh ji is.
Exactly, I will tell you.
Yeah.
Exactly, I will tell you. Just a minute. Santosh is the organizing secretary who looks after all the things of the BJP.
Okay.
He is the key person where he takes all role to form the government, and every movement is completely organized by DL Santosh.
Okay.
So for your kind information, number 1 and 2 will come to Santosh house and they will discuss.
Okay.
Santosh will not go there. That is the protocol of RSS.
Okay.
Which he follows.
Okay.
So for any decision, if we met one or 2 also, again the decision has to take by Santosh only.
Okay.
Santosh will plan.
Okay.
So what we can do is we will directly sit with Santosh.
Yeah.
Santosh will, on the same day, along with Santosh, we will go to number 2.
Okay.
That would be the better options, what I am saying.
Yeah.
So
Santosh ji, like once our meeting is done in Hyderabad, Santosh ji, Nandu said Santosh ji will come to Hyderabad so that we are not exposed anywhere. If we travel, we are under the scanner. So
for that reason, arrange the thing. Let me get in tomorrow. What I will do is I will update the message to Santosh tomorrow.
Okay.
But I think by 11 o'clock we have a small myself and Santosh and other persons.
Okay.
So on that time I will discuss with Santosh.
Okay.
I will not reveal the name. Don't worry. I'm directly dealing with the person, not in between of this.
Yeah.
So there is no confusion in this.
Yeah.
I will discuss the matter with Santosh tomorrow.
Okay.
Then I will revert.
Sure.
Okay,
Swamiji.
Yeah.
But I request you to please put it very confidential, or else our lives are gone.
No. You don't have to worry in this.
Yeah.
If anything, little bit of issues, if we found means, immediately we will make it patch up and we will convert that matter. And we will give the complete protection from the center. Don't worry.
Okay.
It is our responsibility to take care of you.
Okay.
When you are in our scanner, don't have to worry.
Okay, Swamiji.
Including from the ED to till income tax, anything.
Okay.
And from the security reason also. That is in our scanner, don't have to. Because we have very good experience in Bengal. So no need to worry.
Okay.
Swamiji, one more thing. The Sherath is close with the Rohit sir.
Okay. It's Aravindo Pharma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is very crucial case that has to sit and deal with them.
Okay. When you come, no, Swami, we are trying to arrange a meeting with him directly.
No. Nandana, you false promises do. Swamiji, no, I don't want to get involved in that. He's a good friend of mine, that's true. But as of now, I don't want to involve in that matter, Swamiji.
Okay, no issue. It's not our cup of tea.
We will think later words, one by one step. First we will finish this very confidentially. Then let's go on.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you.